ki khun Hynniewtrep ki bidang bat ila ka jong kanyam tunrai bat ban pene pensa ila ka jong kalariti menta kasngi ki Rakhe ye ka Lympung Snem hispa R4R jong ka Seng Kut Snem Lympung Weiking Shillong ki Rakhe ye ka ni kasngi menta kanti kalong bakam palai nakadaw jong ka jinglong jingman hak emlang salang kabadan hapding ka jingta jong knyang jingpang covid khat khandai Shobos dang yakani ke program lapulong da kedua ke pirat hau try nang bu nang thau bakar ko ker hai yaki khun Hynniewtrep ki balai bayo ya ke jingkot jingkia pat ki wei jingbit jingbiang hakani ke dua ke pirat lakar paru yo brei try nang bu nang thau unang kerku yakani ke jandri habaro kiliang jing Rakhe yakani ke jingdap chispa R4R snem jongka jingseng jingbu ya ke seng khasi seng kami kalong ban kan mawi gitu ki khat rengut ki samlah Hynniewtrep ki balayang rangba ban pene pensa yala ka jong kalariti nakadaw ka jingwan telep jong upharing
Nakalem kakenhun utam banusan Don spa don hajar ban the ifi bai ban imla ban yo kerteng do ke haba phi pisno i yani ni buram ye phi oban pen e bok ni ye phi kilong he kilong han kilong san kiman san kilong mei kilong pa kilong ni kilong kong kilong samla kilong samhoy kilong kanla kin sim yaw liu khau e ban long udawai nak banta jong phi ba un rat lut ya ki jipang jing spil jong phi baro Ani genrat kaseng kasih ani mosukni kamu mo kadem ka kerpon mo yapi ko meblai ko pablai ani genrat bapilas ngapila pensya pila pidang genrat baro masih kata ya ka ya ka nam ya ka kro ya ka kyo ani genrat nen kita islam nen kita kipor bakawan ka klang kalo bakawan mo ka jimpang ka jing sito ani genrat kala penkyu kala pesmit kala penting kala penyu genrat mo ya kipun benriu genrat mo ki badon asini kamai ramau ani genrat kaseng kasih mo sekni kadangu kadadan ka kerpat
I am invited here to speak. When I was listening the speeches and national anthem of Khasi and also the philosophical foundation of Seng Khasi, I came to the conclusion that if I had to define idea of India, we don't need to read many scriptures. Three cardinal principles of Seng Khasi, just three cardinal principles. May iri swankari, my Khasi is not good. I am new to Khasi language, so apology with apology, and you have to bear with me. So when the Khasi, Seng Khasi and Khasi tribe speaks of the earth in a universal concept. We are the part of the Mother Earth. There cannot be contestation of this philosophy at this juncture, when all the heads of the nations are deliberating to save the climate and the earth. This 122 years old Khasi organization, which is older than more than 20 European nations, is giving message to the world community that although our population is not more than 4 lakhs, it's between 3 to 4 lakhs, but our philosophical foundation is stronger than millions and billions of the people of the earth. We understand the meaning of nature. We understand the meaning of culture. So St. Khasi is to save the nature and save the culture. That is the motto of the St. Khasi. That is the first philosophy which is coming from your own philosophy. And that philosophy is also the cardinal principle of idea of India when we define the Mother India in that term. Honest to your neighbors. You are honest to your motto and objective. This second principle is not confined to you. Being the local, you are a universal. The message is not confined to Khasi tribe. Message not confined to Sorwa or Kongthong. It is going to Europe. So universalism is the concept of Khasi. And third great principle, deep believe, deep believe. That is both the mother and father sides. The relationship you have to maintain. Socialization of life. Going beyond individualism. It is the individualism which is killing the world. You go to Europe and you will find the sleeping pills is sold like anything. Psychiatric disease. Yes, and Khasi. You are giving to the world the message that family is not concerned to 2 and 3 people. Family is not concerned to those who earn livelihood. Family is extended. Equal love and affection. That is your message. What else we require to define idea of India? What St. Khasi says, India thinks. What India thinks, St. Khasi says. You are synonym to Mother India. You are not the sons and daughters of Mother India. You are synonym to Mother India. That's why I believe that. The people sitting here have to rethink and reintrospect also. Our 3 lakhs population is not our barrier. It is the quality of life and quality of thought which transcend the barrier of geography and time. When 122 years ago, this organization was founded with a great optimism in the past. When I see all of you, I find big conflict, barriers created by some internal forces, and that barrier is not the barrier of physical barrier. You know, the political slavery can be easily discerned. But the slavery which comes through idea and culture, it is very difficult to discern that. It comes very slowly. It erodes our own mind. It erodes our own philosophy. It erodes our own thought. It creates in our mind the guilt conscience. We became imitators of others. We follow what others say, what others pray, what others philosophize. We forget our own life. We forget our own ancestors. We forget our own history. Here this organization should be credited. Despite all the odds, despite all the contestation and attacks, we all of us continuing and would continue to our own ancestral philosophy, philosophy of Mother Earth, philosophy of social life, philosophy based on positive cultural journey which Senthasi propagates and believes.